no 8-year-old talk about my mama like that and say they gonna be my daddy like that. You know what I'm saying? Look, I don't care how they send them they folks to school. It is not going down like that, man. So HR talked to me and whatnot. So I had to see what's going on. So, you know, with the labor relations day, that's why I'm a little frustrated right now. So I'm trying to get all that stuff straightened out. So they told me to come up with a program that could probably get me out of this, right? So I was watching some YouTube videos and I came up with the SSS program. Look, somebody asked me, what is the SSS program?
What is SSS?
It's the Sexually Scared Straight program. Y'all seen Scared Straight before? Yeah, so this is what I'm doing. So I'm bringing up people who have had sexually transmitted diseases and have not got cures for them yet. So they coming in, they're gonna talk to kids and scare them straight. So it's going pretty good. So the first day was today. While I had Leroy too. So I try to find people who look like they don't have sexually transmitted diseases come on stage and like talk to the kids, right? So they come up and they holler at them. So Larry comes up, right? So y'all seen Scared Straight before, right? So they coming up, they taking the kids like, I'll rape you right now. You know what I'm saying? Most of them got 3 years of life or whatnot like that. So these folks right here are your regular, everyday citizens. They never got their sexually transmitted disease, right? So Larry comes up to a little boy like that, right? Little boy won't sit down, right? We can't whoop the kids no more. Tired of suspending them and everything. So Larry comes up to him, comes like I said, boom, and open their pants up. Look right here, boy. Look right here. Look what I'm missing. Look at what I'm missing. Peter just goes. He looked right here. There's a hole right there on the side of his lip. He said, look, boy, I gotta blow it out every day like an old Nintendo cartridge. You see what I gotta go with? Every day, man. You see what this is? You see what I gotta live with? I just had sex one time with the lifestyle color, the yellow one. The yellow ones don't